Please be aware that you may experience very strong emotional shifts during this video. Use at your own risk. Hey there, it's Colleen Flanagan, Mind, Body, Emotions expert and master dowser. Today I'm going to show you a little bit about how to clear any emotions out of your kidneys just by using a reference book. This is one of my favorite ones of all time by Deb Shapiro. I use it often. And it has a lot of information on the emotions that can clog up kidneys or that can cause a little malfunction in the kidneys, a slowing down of the kidneys. And I'll show you how I use this book to work on myself, for example. I'm not going to do any dowsing in this. I'm just going to go through the book really quickly and show you. Here on page 268, it's about the kidneys and the mind-body dialogue about the kidneys. And she says that the kidneys are also about release and letting go, especially of negative feelings. And this is most obvious at times of relationship breakdown. Such a separation causes an imbalance as well as a surplus of negative, confused, and insecure feelings. It makes sense, doesn't it? And she also talks about, in Chinese medicine, the kidneys are known as the seat of fear, having to do with the adrenal glands. And she talks about how emotions can build up, and kidneys have the ability to let go of that which is no longer needed, right? Out of our bodies. It helps keep our bodies clean and clear. So if you're having some trouble with your kidneys, she says to ask yourself these following questions. Do you need to develop more balance in your life? Now, I feel my life is pretty balanced because I'm semi-retired, but if you feel like your body's out of balance and you're having kidney issues or your life's out of balance, all you have to do is clear your governing vessel meridian, and you would do that just by running your hand like this over your head while you talk about it. And you can also tap under your nose, which I don't believe is quite as effective. And the governing vessel meridian runs from the bottom of our torsos all the way down to here. So it goes in a beautiful arc up the spine down to here. And as you run your hand here and intentionally talk about clearing emotions, say regarding the kidneys, you will help release some of those emotions. And if you're a dowser, you can check and make sure that all those emotions are gone, your kidneys are clear of all non-beneficial emotions, and so on. So the first one was, do you need to develop more balance in your life? Maybe you're afraid you work too much. I've been there a lot of times. So you would just clear out, I release all my fears that are affecting my kidneys in non-beneficial ways. All fears that my life is out of balance, it's out of control, and nothing's ever going to be able to help me. I release my fear I'm never going to get in balance again with my life. Letting it all go now, releasing the fear that I don't have enough me time, enough play time, because my life is out of balance and out of control, and this fear is locked in my kidneys. I let it all go. Just as simple as that. You just talk about what's going on and clear it out. The next one is, are you able to let go of past difficulties? Well, for some of us, we believe that if we hold on to our anger, rage, our fear about past difficulties, it's going to help us be prepared for the future. We know that's not true, right? Because all it does is eat up your insides with the acid from the fear and the stress and the anxiety. So you just let go. I release all my fears that I must hold on to past difficulties and people who hurt me and all the terrible things that happened to me and the trauma in my life, because if I don't, I won't be prepared for when it happens again. I let go of these fears that are locked in my kidneys now from holding on to past difficulties. I let all my body, all the functions and the fluids just flow normally as they're supposed to, and so it is. Another one is, have you experienced a difficulty in your primary relationship? Well, who hasn't, right? Of course, we've all experienced that. So you would just say something like, I now let go of all my fears about all the difficulties in my primary relationship or any relationship I've had. Fears of rejection or abandonment, letting go fears of relationship failure, letting go fears that the bad times in my relationship will never end. I let go of fears that I'm not safe in my primary relationship or I'm not safe in my job. All things I'm afraid about a lack of flow in my life or cleansing in my life. I let go of all those fears now. And that's all you have to do, is just Take a book like I showed you. It could be a Donna Eden book or a Louise Hay book. Louise Hay has got a cute little reference guide here, Heal Your Body A to Z, that I like to use as well. It's not as detailed as the Deb Shapiro book or other books I've seen. Find out what is going on with that part of your body, what fears could be in there, and just clear. Talking clear, talking clear. Talk about anything regarding that. And especially work on any kind of fears you can think of. And you're going to be able to take back your well-being. And this doesn't mean you're not going to a doctor, not taking your medication. No, 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 none of that. Use all this information at your own risk. But I want people to know that you have other means to help yourself heal, to help all the energy flow in your body through your meridian system. It's simple, it's easy, it just takes some time, and you're worth that time, aren't you? You deserve complete and total well-being. So I wish you extreme health and extreme success in all you do. If you have any questions or concerns, you can contact me through my website, emo-rescue.com. And there's tons of more free videos, articles, audios, all kinds of information there for you to help you live the life and create the life that you desire. And that for your loved ones too, and your animal friends. Thank you so much for watching this video. Peace out. Namaste.